Ever wondered what extraordinary secrets lie hidden beneath the waters we explore? From ancient graveyards to monstrous fish, the depths of our rivers and seas are brimming with untold stories. Exploring the underwater world isn't just about discovering vibrant marine life or sunken treasures. Join me now as we embark on a journey to uncover some of the most astonishing underwater discoveries ever made. Deep in the heart of Madagascar, concealed within submerged caves, lies a treasure trove of the distant past. Here, researchers stumbled upon an ancient graveyard, undisturbed for millennia. The caves, once dry and teeming with life, now lie flooded, preserving the remains of creatures from a lost world. The fossilized bones tell tales of lemurs, bats, and birds, their skeletal structures preserved in astonishing detail. Among the finds, one skull stands out, a massive lemur skull dwarfing those of its modern relatives. This giant among lemurs, now extinct, challenges our understanding of primate evolution. The discovery of this underwater graveyard allows us a rare glimpse into their lost kingdom. Each bone meticulously extracted, each fossil carefully analyzed adds another piece to the puzzle of life on our planet. These underwater tombs serve as a poignant reminder of the constant cycle of life and death, of evolution and extinction. Our next journey takes us to the depths of a seemingly ordinary sinkhole, where a solemn discovery awaits. Here, shrouded in darkness, lies a relic of World War II, the skeletal remains of an American pilot, still strapped into the cockpit of his downed aircraft. His sacrifice, frozen in time, serves as a poignant reminder of the human cost of war. Beside the pilot, his firearm loaded and ready lay undisturbed. This haunting tableau paints a picture of the pilot's final moments, a desperate struggle for survival. The discovery of this underwater war grave serves as a stark reminder of the sacrifices made by countless individuals during times of conflict. Through painstaking research and collaboration with military archives, his name was finally brought to light, ensuring his sacrifice would never be forgotten. These underwater memorials, scattered across the globe, serve as solemn reminders of the human cost of conflict. They are sacred ground, preserving the memories of those who made the ultimate sacrifice. Our exploration of the underwater world often leads us to encounter the unexpected and mysterious. In this case, a diver's curiosity unveiled a puzzle that continues to baffle and intrigue. While exploring the seabed, the diver discovered a peculiar artifact, a black box, seemingly out of place amidst the natural surroundings. Inside, he found cremated human remains, their presence raising more questions than answers. Who was this individual? What were their final wishes? And how did their remains end up encased in a black box at the bottom of the sea? Ultimately, the diver chose to report the discovery, recognizing that the mystery surrounding the remains might hold answers for someone, somewhere. The black box and its contents were handed over to the authorities, with the hope that they might shed light on the identity of the deceased and the circumstances surrounding their final journey. Our journey now takes us to the murky depths of rivers, where even seemingly familiar waters can harbor unsettling secrets. Here, beneath the surface of tranquility, lurk remnants of human conflict, a chilling reminder that the past is never truly gone. Imagine casting a fishing line into the water, expecting a catch, but instead pulling up something far more sinister, a claymore mine, its deadly potential still intact. This is the reality for those who live and work near former conflict zones. Rivers and waterways, once lifelines for communities, have become repositories for unexploded ordnance, posing a constant threat to unsuspecting civilians. Divers tasked with clearing these hazards face a daunting and dangerous task. They meticulously search the riverbeds, their movements slow and deliberate, as they locate and disarm these ticking time bombs. The remnants of war found in these waters are not limited to explosives. Divers also uncover firearms, ammunition, and other military equipment. The work of clearing these underwater hazards is dangerous and often thankless, but it is crucial for the safety and well-being of communities living in the shadow of past conflicts. Our exploration of underwater discoveries takes us back in time, to a period when giants roamed the seas. In this chapter, we delve into the world of the Steller's sea cow, a massive marine mammal driven to extinction by human activity. Imagine a creature so immense it dwarfed even the largest of today's marine mammals. The Steller's sea cow, a relative of the modern manatee, could reach lengths of up to 30 feet and weigh over 22,000 pounds. These gentle giants once grazed peacefully in kelp forest, their massive bodies moving gracefully through the water. Their extinction, a mere 27 years after their discovery by Europeans, serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impact humans can have on the natural world. Today, the only evidence we have of their existence lies in the fossil record, scattered across the seafloor where they once thrived. The story of the Steller's sea cow is a cautionary tale of human impact on the environment, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts. The depths of our planet's rivers and lakes often conceal creatures both fascinating and fearsome. In this chapter, we journey into the realm of freshwater predators where legends and reality intertwine. In the murky depths of the Zambezi River, a powerful predator reigns supreme, the Vundu catfish. This massive fish, reaching lengths of over 5 feet and weighing over 200 pounds, is a formidable hunter, its powerful jaws capable of crushing bone. Local legends paint the Vundu as a creature of myth and fear, often credited with attacks on humans. In the heart of the Amazon basin, another giant lurks, the Arapaima. This air-breathing fish, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world, can grow to over 10 feet long and weigh over 400 pounds. Its armored scales and powerful tail make it a formidable predator in its domain. While the Vundu and Arapaima are undoubtedly impressive creatures, it is important to remember that they are integral parts of their ecosystems, playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of life in their respective habitats. Our final underwater exploration takes us to the submerged caves of Mexico and other corners of the globe, where time seems to stand still. Here, in the ethereal glow of underwater lights, we encounter remnants of ancient life, perfectly preserved by the unique conditions of these flooded caverns. Imagine diving into the cool, clear water of a cenote, the sunlight filtering through the opening above. As you descend deeper, the darkness envelops you, and your light illuminates a scene frozen in time. The walls of the cave are adorned with fossils, not just of marine life, but also of land animals that roamed the earth during the last ice age. Giant sloths, saber-toothed cats, and even early humans once walked these lands, their remains now entombed in the watery depths. The lack of oxygen and the stable environment prevent decay, allowing for remarkable preservation over millennia. Scientists and explorers venture into these underwater realms, carefully documenting and collecting fossils, adding to our understanding of Earth's history. Each dive into these underwater fossil caves is a journey through time, a glimpse into a world long gone. The underwater world, as we've seen, is a realm of wonder, danger, and mystery. Each discovery, whether it's an ancient fossil, a submerged war relic, or a mythical creature, reminds us of how little we truly know about our planet's hidden depths. The underwater world beckons, inviting us to explore its mysteries and unravel the stories it holds.